Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable Find You by your contacts on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Privacy and Safety. Then tap on Discoverability and Contacts. Next, you can see the option of Find You by your phone number. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can disable Find You by your phone number on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.